Hello everyone. Today I'm here with another interesting topic, has and have. We use the word has and have to show that something belongs to someone. The meaning of has and have is same. Has is used for one person, animal, place or thing. Have is used for more than one person, animal, place or thing. We use has with singular pronouns he, she, it. It can also be used when you are referring to someone by name. We use have with singular pronouns I and you and plural pronouns we and they. Remember this, I and you always go with have. We have 8 pronouns which we have already done in previous chapter. Let's revise once again. When we are talking about ourselves, we will say I have. If something belongs to boy or a man, we say he has. For a girl or a woman, she has. For animal or thing, it has. For you, we can say you have. For us, for example, if I'm talking about me and other people, then I will say we have. And for only other people, we will say they have. Let's see some examples of has. He has done his homework. Now in this sentence, we are talking about one boy who has completed his homework. She has lost her pencil. In this sentence also, we are talking about one girl who lost her pencil. It has 8 arms. In this sentence, we are talking about only one animal who has 8 arms. Molly has long hair. In this sentence, we are talking about Molly who has long hair. Let's see some examples of have. I have a beautiful garden. So kids, as I have told you earlier, I and you always go with have. We have many friends. In this sentence, we is a pronoun and we means more than one people. You have a pretty dress. Next is they have washed their hands. They means more than one people. Molly and Montu have good handwriting. So in this sentence, Molly and Montu, that means we are talking about 2 kids, which is more than one. So have we will use here. Molly and Montu have good handwriting. Thank you kids. I hope you understand how to use has and have. If you have any queries regarding this concept, kindly pencil down in your notebook and we will discuss it when we will have our live class.